Okay. This is the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. I'm gonna tell the story and you get to fill in some of the words. Okay. Once upon a time, there were three bears. There was
Mama Bear
and Papa Bear. And they were so happy in their house. One day, Mama Bear said, let's make some porridge. So she made some porridge and she stirred and stirred the porridge and she cooked it. And then she put it in all the bowls. She put some porridge in the little bowl. She put some porridge in the medium-sized bowl. And she put some porridge in the big bowl. In the big bowl. The bears came over. But the porridge was too hot. So they had to go out for a walk. Here they go. They're going to go out for a walk. They're going out into the woods. Meanwhile, back at the house, a little girl came over. And she knocked on the door. Was anybody home?
No.
Nobody's home. Where are the bears?
The forest.
In the forest. They're in the forest. So she went inside the house. She saw 3 bowls. She went to the big bowl and she tasted it, but it was too hot. Ouch. No, she didn't eat up the hot porridge. It was too hot.
That is all.
She went to the medium-sized bowl. She tasted the porridge, but it was too
cold.
Too cold. She went to the little porridge and it was just right. So she ate it all up.
Because it's all gone.
Now it's all gone. Then Goldilocks saw, that's empty. Goldilocks saw 3 chairs. She saw a big chair. She saw a chair. And she saw She tried sitting in the big chair. What happened when she sat in the big chair?
What?
It was too hard. She went to sit in the medium chair, but too soft. She went to sit in the little chair. Uh-oh, what happened? She sat in Baby Bear's chair, and Chase, what happened? It broke. Watch. Break. Oh no, it's broken. Goldilocks said, oh, she's so tired. She goes upstairs, and she sees 3 beds. She lays down in the big bed. What does she say?
It's too hard.
It's too hard. She lays down in the medium-sized bed.
It's too soft.
Too soft. She lays down in the littlest, tiniest bed. And it's just right. So Goldilocks
Slept in it.
she slept. She goes to sleep. Good night, Goldilocks. Here she goes. She's sleeping. Guess who comes home?
A bear.
Here they come. They're coming back from their walk. Here they come. They're coming back home. Oh, they're home. Papa Bear looks at his porridge. I'm so hungry. Mama's so hungry. Baby Bear's so hungry. Papa says, oh, someone's been eating my porridge. Mama Bear says, someone's been eating my porridge. Baby Bear says,
someone's been eating my porridge.
And it's
all gone. It is all empty.
Look, the bowl is empty. There's nothing in it. It's empty. Oh, Baby Bear is so sad.
He spilled it.
No, it's not spilled. It's gone. It's in Goldilocks' tummy. She ate it all up.
Just run out the door.
The bears look at their chairs. They're looking at their chairs. Papa Bear said,
Somebody's been.
This is muddy.
oh.
Somebody,
Mommy Bear says,
somebody's sitting in my chair.
oh no. Baby Bear says,
Somebody's sitting in my chair and it's broken.
and it's broken. Oh, little bear, look what she does. She cries and she cries. The bears go up the stairs. Here they go. Up the stairs. Papa Bear looks at his big bed and says,
Somebody's been.
Sleeping in my bed.
oh, Mama Bear says,
Someone's been sleeping in my bed.
Chase, what does Baby Bear say?
Someone is in my bed.
And
Goldilocks.
And she's still there. Uh-oh. Goldilocks opens one eye. She opens two eyes. And what does she do?
Run out the door.
She screams and runs out the door. You ready to scream? And she runs out the door, far away, back to her house.
I see the stick.
And Papa Bear gets his tools, and Mama Bear gets her tools, and they fix Baby Bear's chair with their hammers, the screwdriver, and Baby Bear is so happy. The end.